Ha snàmh ar Cerys McCrindle iddi bí a snàmh go farpaiseach fan a bhaid in na blundiaach, agus bhaid sillar an nuair sin gur talent aiche san spárs. Le taith fan deulach agus na coachichan aiche, hainis uine na snàmh ar na cervical a bhain ddiad le Down syndrome an an Alba.
Well, I started competing when I was 11 years old. So I went to my first competition in Southampton. And one of the races where I found out I was qualified when I was brought too fast.
We don't have swimmers in our family, so it was quite a surprise when she was going along to the swimming lessons. They suggested she join the mainstream club. We went along there, and then one of the coaches there had advised us that there actually was a separate pathway for disability swimmers that we didn't know anything about. So it was good to find out that information, and then we started heading along to these events. And as she said, one of the first events she went to was a Down syndrome only event in Southampton, and she was actually disqualified with a speeding ticket for going too fast. So we knew there then that she was doing okay. She enjoyed doing it, and it was something that she wanted to do. So we were happy that she'd found something she liked, and we were happy to pursue that with her.
Nu de hoed Cerys aanjechug maar snàmh ba hadda an a bhí chomá na súrin hí bhí. Le upper chrúi agus taichfo skip a snàmh siúrach ar Jace, hai haasta leisig na skillen a ha aiche mar ha.
I joined the South Asia Pirate squad just after I competed with at Southampton's squad, and I went to join swim with the people with various disabilities. I quite enjoyed it, and also good coaches as well that trained really hard to get advice to and tips to get fitter and faster in the pool.
Working with Cerys is without a doubt an absolute delight. Given her instructions, she will go out of her way to excel in doing it. She pushes herself probably more than I've seen a lot of swimmers do in the past. And she just gives absolutely everything she's got, even if she doesn't have it, she'll give it. Definitely committed. Not just in swimming, even the exploits out of swimming. So she got her teachers, she got swimming teachers, she's also qualified as a dance teacher. She is like one of the bubbliest girls I've ever met as well, so she keeps things here quite lively with some carry-on, some dancing that when we do our dryland sessions.
Ha Cerys Breatann rauchga hu grún tuairsin, a tócal buing agus a clara na húneach na sér mar fáiste skippe agus na unar. Ha córta dí go mór a bhí a farpais na ghéine bóid figa dúil, agus a ismúnding bhil na buing, díadach a cúdis a hula sían.
It felt really quite good, really quite enjoyable. Also meeting different people, but not everything was about winning, just more so I can train hard. And that's all I can do to get there, and winning medals is a good achievement as well. I felt honoured to be part of the team, yeah, being able to swim with different people as well. It's really quite good.
It's good to see that she can show other people that you can do things, you can achieve. It might not be in the mainstream level, but you can. There's pathways there for disability swimming, Down syndrome swimming, that you can go and be successful in that train. There's a pathway for everybody.
For Hún Gudich, ba Cerys cervical ag farpais oscail to traigins na Chearpa, agus húdi málíonn for Parliament na Alba, son a haie Gianúir son a spárs. Nu nach chéil Cerys a farpais is on buing, hai fiechan di taichahors can jou ingáke, an sa namar snàmh in it a laiche.
Really enjoyed it, yeah. Really good for teaching young people and just to like kind of encourage them a bit more. Obviously it's kind of hard work getting to that stage, but yeah, really quite good teaching them and yeah.
Maar nach rán clárach go trancailleor, chlach Cerys a húne tronglasagur son a bhí na háte Zumba. Ba fiús a fiechan di a cóchluichetar in a chumal fut, le bhí tar seachad class Zumba id leine.
Zumba, yeah, really quite good and enjoying it, and obviously I'm a instructor now. It's just giving something else different to do than swimming. But yeah, it's really quite enjoyable to do. I taught about Zumba to my swimming team, the GB team, and yeah, I felt really good, and I'll be able to teach in the future of more classes.
Se blian na go má mór eile a hánta Cerys, si a gamas it Breatann rauchga go gúad eile, Breatann a haid coite dúirtas go mór.
I'm actually going to Portugal in October with the DB team. So hopefully getting more hard work, training really hard for it and try and get the times so that I can go compete.
Yes, looking forward to hopefully qualifying for Portugal next year and going along and giving it our best because she'll have, hopefully everything going well, she'll have a good chance to train from now right through to then, and she'll give it her best. If she wants to keep doing it, then we'll support her and we'll all be there, family, all flags and everything.
I would love to see any of the swimmers, especially Cerys, push herself and maybe one day actually make either Paralympic or further again with the Down syndrome swimming to more World Championships.
Sé téca má brosnachal a hánan Cerys, agus hainnas éisiamplar, seiltain sé go cútramach sa gútach sport sa víta ghaine. A Cerys agus a deolach a dóchas go bhíad an scíalach eich go cúteachach do ghainile a ha fúling le ciara.
Like any parent, you're proud of them all the time, but I'm so proud of her, what she does, what she puts her mind into, and I just hope that she can let other people with Down syndrome, with disabilities, other parents see there is ways of achieving and having a very good quality of life and making the most out of what you've got.
Give it a try, just see what you can do, and if it's other than more kind of hard work, but yeah, I think you give it a go, just you give it a wee try, see how it feels like with the water. Yeah, really good for me.